Hello, lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing amazing, wonderful, beautiful. You are safe wherever you are in the world. This is your soulmate reading. This is your soulmate reading. Okay, for December 2020. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. And I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. And take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, and thank you so much for giving lots of love to my channel, for sharing beautiful comments, for sharing your views, for sharing your experiences. Thank you so much, and I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your soulmate love reading for December 2020. And let's start. What are the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading? Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world? New life, come to the edge and breathe. Okay, and now I'm going to start it, but I'm telling you that these three cards just left out. Okay, they want to fall out of the deck. Let me see, what are the messages? What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Building blocks. And I'm going to take 5 cards from this deck, and I'm going to clarify these cards then later on. What are the messages? Unfinished symphony, and there is chop wood. What are the messages? Fork in the road, and all that glitters is not the gold. Okay, I don't know why I want to do it, but new life message is there. Okay, so today I'm going to take 6 cards. I do not know why I did not stop, but I did not stop. Now I'm stopping it. Maybe spirit want to save, divine wants to say that take one more card. Okay, the bottom of the deck I'm having blessed. Okay, you are blessed, Aquarius. I will always tell you that you are a blessed soul on this earth. You are blessed zodiac in all zodiacs. Okay, 1 minute. I need to see one more thing. Okay, being grounded in everyday experience. Okay, I need to know the meaning of chop wood. So Aquarius, you are blessed. Why I'm saying that there is a new life which is coming for you. Okay, there are changes which are happening for you. There is a new life which is coming for you. And the first message for is building blocks. You're making some kind of strong foundation, and there is some kind of unfinished symphony. Okay, there is an unfinished symphony. Then there is a message of chop wood. That means relax and do your ground yourself, do your daily routine, relax. Okay, then the message is fork in the road. You have to decide, Aquarius. Some of you Aquarius has to take a decision, and that was the energy for you in your basic reading also, that you have to make a decision for your life. It's the time has come for you to make a decision for yourself. Okay, and there is all that glitters, that means all that glitters is not gold. Okay, so take whatever decision you are taking, please choose wisely. Okay, because maybe you are thinking that this is right for me, this is glittering out, but that is not gold. Later on you will, maybe you will get to know, but I'm going to clarify these cards. A need to see beyond superficial, the desire to don a mask or dress something up to disguise its true nature, trying to be something you are not, chasing after every sparkling new things. So Aquarius, maybe there is someone around you who you think that this is they are true, but they are not true to yourself. Let me see what are the messages, what are the clarifications of these cards, and start your clarification. What is building blocks? Clarify me building blocks. Putting a strong foundation, that's what I mean. Right, a beautiful work is in progress. You are putting some strong foundation. So let's start the clarification. What is building block mean? Shadow, self transformation. You're getting transformed, you need to balance, and you are building blocks. That means that you are working on your shadow self, Aquarius, because you're getting transformation. Okay, wow. Verify building blocks. Yeah, right, your base chakra is getting activated. See, and you're getting more intuitive than before. Your intuition is getting more active than before, because you are putting more efforts in yourself. You are doing your shadow self, you're building yourself. Can you see this girl is standing on the building? You are building for yourself, you're working on your shadow self, and you're getting more intuitive than before. 9, 18, 28. Can you see the numbers? Not 9, 18, 28. 2, 18, 28. Okay. Wow. 2, 18 and 28. Why I saw 9? I don't know. Okay. So 28, 9. Why I'm saying 9? Okay. 28, 18 and 2. Clarify me unfinished symphony. Clarify unfinished symphony. What is unfinished symphony which is there? There is love begins, rejoice in celebration, and there is authority. Okay, there is 3 of cups energy. There is love begins in bottom of the deck. I am having stand your ground, moving on. 1 minute. Moving on, crown chakra, throat chakra, temptation. Right, there was something around you, Aquarius, in which you were feeling like tempted. Okay, and by that temptation, by that devil energy, you are moving on. You're standing your ground. 7 of wands energy. You are standing your grounds. You're moving on from the temptations, the devil which was there, and now you are aware. You are getting more aware than before. You're getting your awareness that this is the devil, this is not good for you, this is the temptation which was trying to attach you again, because your crown chakra and throat chakra is getting more active. There is no blockage in these two. So now you are moving on and you're standing your ground, and before you are standing your ground and you're moving on, your love begins. There is a new love which is going to happen in your life. You are taking the authority of your life, the control of your life in your hand, and there is 3 of cups celebration coming for you. Okay, Let me see why there is chop wood. Choose wisely, Aquarius. Yes, okay. Why there is chop wood? Wheel of Fortune, disruption. There is third eye chakra getting open up. Okay. Choose wisely, Aquarius. There is disruption, there is destiny. The world card is here. There is 10 here, there is 10 here. There is someone around you who is maybe trying to tempt you. There is someone around you who is not good for you. And and there is one more reason I am telling you, that maybe you have make a choice in the past, because of that there is a disruption. There was a disruption in your life right now, but there is, do not worry, that was your destiny. That was the world card. The wheel of fortune is moving in your favor. There is 10 here, there is 10 here. That was the wheel of fortune which is moving in your favor. Wow. There was discontentment and boredom, and you're getting more transformation is taking place. Whatever obstacle and challenges were there in your life, that has not now, there is no obstacle and challenges now. There were obstacle and challenges, whatever challenges and obstacles were there, but now there will be a prosperity is begin. That's the wheel of fortune turning in your favor. There you are getting transformed. Transformation is taking place. Before there were obstacles and challenges, that has been removed. Okay, that has been removed from your path, Aquarius. Okay, that has been removed from your life. Now you're getting transformed. Transformation is taking place for you. Beautiful. Can you see? I can tell you one more thing here. What I can see, you're getting more intuitive than before. You're getting you are taking the authority of your life. You're getting transformation, new intuition, authority, transformation, material and spirituality. Spiritual prosperity. There is a light. There is a balance. Beautiful. There is a light. There is a balance which is coming for you. Why there is fork in the road means, what is the meaning of fork in the road? And it just fell out. Okay. There is Aquarius, new beginnings which are happening for you. New beginnings, new life. Again, you have to make a decision for yourself. New beginnings are there, new lives are there. You have to make a decision, and whatever decision you are making, you are getting harmony in that. Okay, there are new beginnings which are waiting for you. And what is waiting for you? The harmony is waiting for you. Partnership and alliances are waiting for you. And there is victory and success which is waiting for you. Okay. Bottom of the deck I'm having foundations and achievements. Wow, beautiful. You have to make a decision for yourself, Aquarius, because beautiful things are waiting for you. Harmony, partnership and alliances, victory and success are waiting for you. Can you see how beautiful it is? Once you make a decision for your life, once you start moving in a forward direction, okay, right now you have to make a decision for your life so that these new beginnings can happen in your life. 1414 was the recording reading time. What is all that glitters? Clarify what is all that glitters means. Firm foundation. Okay. Clarify all that glitters. Conflict and defeat. Okay. What is all that glitters? solar plexus, chakra, and trump. Okay, you're getting success, you're getting to know, Aquarius, what is right for you. You know it. You are the rider, you are the success, you're the trump. You know it, what is right for you. And there is something in which there is conflict and there is defeat. Okay, there is firm foundation here, so choose wisely. Okay, all that glitters is not gold. What is new life? Light is coming your way. What is new life is light. Light is coming your way, Aquarius. That's the new life you are receiving right now. New life happening for you. What is new life? Recognition and rewards. Beautiful. That's the new life you are receiving, Aquarius. Your heart chakra is opening up. You're getting spiritual strength. Can you see lots of green light is there? Okay, your heart chakra is getting opening up. And there is spiritual strength. You are rising as an empress. The fertility card is here. Beautiful. And here authority is also emperor. Okay, this is the emperor and this is the empress. Okay, you're taking the energy of emperor and you're taking the charge of your life. You're getting your strength, you're getting your divine counterpart, the empress. Gender is not specific here, but you are going to receive your empress, your counterpart. You're getting open. What beautiful life you are going to receive. Beautiful life is waiting for you, Aquarius. The light is coming for you. The recognition and reward is coming for you, and the heart chakra is getting open. That's why there is an empress, your divine counterpart, and there is spiritual strength. 1717 was the recording reading time. That's why I am telling you that you are blessed. Let's clarify by my tarot deck also. What is building blocks? Let's start your clarification. Only one thing you have to choose, Aquarius, by very carefully, that all that glitters is not gold. There is some kind of deceit and conflict which is there around you. So choose wisely. But you are the trumpet. Okay, you are trump. You know, you are someone who knows what is right and what is wrong for you. You know that. Let me see the meaning of this trumpet also. Right. The power of your soul is pushing and nudging you steadily forward. Whether you are setting new goals, developing ideas, or planning a journey, it's essential that it is carefully thought of. When you tap into your inner guidance and balance it with self control, hard work, and perseverance, it's likely to manifest a trumpet outcome. It's time it's time for you to be single minded and focus on the end goal. Visualize the successful results as it were happening right now. When you have achieved what you set out to do, your ability to meet other life challenges will significantly increase. When you try to move forward without balanced direction or guidance, it's easy to slip off your intended path and be drawn away from your desired goal. Now it's not the time to let go or allow the river of life to pull you in its current, as you can so easily lose control. Grab your oars, grip them tightly, and steer carefully towards the highest aim or destination. The trumpet card reminds you that you do not have to be alone with all your life's ups and downs and the challenges that you face. This is the time to tap into powerful knowledge of others, as well as use your inner resources that are within yourself. This is the Chariot. Okay, this is the Chariot, Aquarius. You are rising as in Chariot. You know what is right and what is wrong. That's what I told you. You know what is right and what is wrong. There is a conflict and defeat. You have to choose carefully. Okay, let's start your tarot clarification from for these cards. Okay, what is the meaning of building blocks? Clarify. See, bottom of the deck I'm having 9 of swords. You are 9 of pentacles. You're coming towards the karma waters, Aquarius. You are enjoying your singlehood. You are happy. You are now knowing, 1 minute, let me adjust myself. Okay, you know that you are very happy, abundant in your own way. Okay, and you are enjoying your singlehood. You're coming towards the karma waters, Aquarius. Okay, that's the building blocks, means 2121 with recording reading time. So you are enjoying your singlehood and you are waiting for the divine counterpart. Clarify unfinished symphony. There is someone from your past who's trying to give you an offer. The 4 of Cups is here, but you are not accepting it. You're keeping your strength with you, and that's very good. That's why the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, because you're not accepting it. That's why there is Wheel of Fortune here and there is Wheel of Fortune here too. Wheel of Fortune and Wheel of Fortune, destiny is here. Wheel of Fortune is here. So because you are not accepting the cup from someone from your past, maybe someone was trying to give you some kind of offer, but you did not say, yes, I'm going to accept it. No. You did not accept the cup from someone who was toxic for you. You do not accept that cup because that was the temptation from the devil. There was someone which was toxic for you, which was not good for you. Okay, as all that glitters is not gold. Okay, and now the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Clarify me, what is chopwood? Two of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. You're going to receive a stable commitment offer, a stable committed offer, a stable offer from someone, Aquarius. Okay, right now you are resting and rejuvenating yourself. It just fell out. Okay, and there is Two of Pentacles. You are juggling a lot to bring a balance in your situation. You're taking the energy of Emperor. Bottom of the deck I'm having Emperor again. Now you're taking the energy of Emperor and you are taking the charge of your life. You're resting and rejuvenating yourself. Okay, and you're trying to make a balance in your relation, in your situation, in your life. You're trying to get balance in your situation basically. But there is an offer which is coming for you. There is a stable offer which is coming for you. Wow. Wow. Emperor, Empress and Six of Cups. There is someone from your past who is trying to give you Ace of Cups. Someone from your past is offering you Ace of Cups. Empress is there and you are taking the energy of Emperor. This is you. Emperor is you. And the Empress is from your past. Someone from your past is coming back. You both know each other, and Six of Cup is all about soulmate. This is your soulmate. You both have spent past lives together. They are trying to give you Ace of Cups, emotional fulfillment. Beautiful. They will give you Ace of Cups, stability in your life. Maybe they will offer you something which will be stable, committed. Maybe they will give you commitment in the offer, commitment in the relationship. Okay. What is fork in the road? What is fork in the road? Clarify fork in the road. This is you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Swords. This is you, Aquarius. Okay. Nine of Swords, Two of Cups, Five of Swords, Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, Page of Pentacle. Okay, okay. Because of the past hurts, because of the past conflicts, the deception, lies, cheating, manipulation, whatever has happened in the past. Five of Swords, Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, and Page of Pentacle. Okay, because of the past conflicts, lies, cheating, manipulation, deception in the past, you are feeling restricted, stuck. Maybe you are getting some kind of small offer, initiative from someone who is trying to offer you. Two of Cups. Because of whatever has happened in the past, you have spent lots of sleepless nights. Nine of Swords is here. Now there is someone who is trying to give you Two of Cups. That's why you have to make a decision, but you are thinking and contemplating a lot. You are unable to move in a forward direction. Why you are unable to move in a forward direction? Because of the past things, because of the conflicts which you were having in the past, because of the lies, cheating, deception, manipulation which was happened with you by someone in the past. That's why you are feeling restricted, stuck in that energy, because you were unable to sleep at nights. Can you see? Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, and Nine of Swords. All swords energy are here, 7, 8, and 9. But do not worry, Aquarius, you have to make a decision, because there is someone around you who is trying to give you Two of Cups. And can you see? Again, Queen of Swords and Six of Swords. You will come towards the calmer waters. All that glitters. What is this all that glitters? Clarify me. Clarify me all that glitters. Clarify all that glitters. See again the Chariot. Wow. Emperor, King of Cups has come. Okay. Maybe you are having lots of options right now. The Trumpet and Trumpet. The Chariot and the Chariot. Two chariots are here. You have to move in a forward direction, Aquarius. You have to move in a forward direction, and now you know what is right and what is wrong for you. You're taking the energy of Emperor. Okay. You are taking the charge of your life. You're moving in a forward direction with someone who is the King of Cups is here. This is someone who is King of Cups, who is emotionally available to you. Maybe right now you are having lots of options to choose. There is Seven of Cups and Three of Wands, and you are waiting your ships to come. Clarify new life. The Star. New hopes, new desires. The Star, this is you. Star belongs to Aquarius. What is new life for Aquarius? Right now, some of you Aquarius are unable to make a decision for yourself. Okay, you are hoping for new hopes and desires. You are hoping that you will get your wish fulfillment, but you are unable to make a decision, Aquarius, right now. Okay, you can't be you are unable to make a decision. What is new life? Because you're carrying lots of burden on your shoulders. You have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Okay, there is a Fool card here, and there is 10 of Wands. Release all burdens. 10 of because and there is no 11. You're already releasing it. Wow, the Lovers. You're already releasing all the burdens, but you were carrying lots of burdens on your shoulders. You just need to release all the burdens for your shoulders. You will receive equal amount of give and take, Aquarius, in your new life. Six Ace of Pentacles, and bottom of the deck I'm having Hierophant. You will get married to this person, or you will get commitment in your relationship. Okay, what is new life? What is new life? Clarify new life. Wow. See, Queen of Cups, Ace of Cups. You will receive your emotional fulfillment. That's the new life. King of Cups and Queen of Cups. You are moving forward with this King of Cups. Okay, you're moving forward with this King of Cups. And here it is, this Queen. You're moving forward with this King of Cups, and you are receiving your Ace of Cups. This is you. Queen of Cups is here. This is your divine counterpart. That's why you both are offering each other Two of Cups. Make a decision for your life. Can you see how beautiful it is? That's the new life which is waiting for you. Six of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Queen of Cups. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. It's beautiful. I love it. Okay. Let me see what are the messages from Divine Energy Oracle deck. Help me out. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Give me what are the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages. Let go and enjoy your life, Aquarius. That's the message for you. Okay. Rest and rejuvenate yourself. You need to change your tracks. Live your soul, not a role. Okay, that's the message from Divine Energy Oracle deck. That you need to rejuvenate yourself. You need to change your tracks. Live your soul, Aquarius, not your role. Okay. Wake up call is there. Do all things in moderation. Try to eat healthy. Okay, there is a wake up call for you. Love yourself and go with the flow. Love yourself and go with the flow. Address your addictions. Maybe some of you are having any kind of addiction, so address your addictions, Aquarius. Be patient and do what you love. Okay, do what you love. So thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Twin Flame Oracle deck. Okay. Let me see. What are the messages? What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? I love the smell of this deck. I don't know. I love the deck. I love the deck. I love this smell of this deck. Okay. Let's see. What are the messages for Aquarius, Twin Flames? What are the messages for Aquarius? Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Any other message? Any other message? Any other message for Aquarius? Reaching out. Have you asked for help with this, Aquarius? There is a reaching out. So maybe you're requiring any kind of help. So there is a message for you. Okay. Then there is you hold a key. Soul blueprints to twin flame reunion. You hold the key in your soul. Okay. In your soul blueprints, you are having a key. So you hold the key. Then there is self-love. Self-love is indicated. So love yourself first. Then there is a general roles. Current problems are reflecting negative human patterns. Okay. Gender roles are playing important part in your twin flame journey. Then there is mother father is playing an important part in your twin flame journey. Old issue expressing in your twin flame connection is mother father is playing an important part in your soul journey, in your twin flame journey. Okay. Proud of you, reaching out to show appreciation. Okay. Proud of you, Aquarius. Expect miracles. Nothing is impossible. That's right, nothing is impossible. Then there is pay attention to signs, divine communication. Divine is trying to communicate to you, Aquarius. Please pay attention. Maybe they're trying to give you any signs, any symbols. Like right now, they have given me like 3636 was the recording reading time when I was saying this. Pay attention to the signs. Okay, divine is trying to communicate to you. Right now, it's time for action. Step into your power to create change. Okay, step into power. Step into your power to create change. And there is a karmic partner around you, pushing each other to grow. Karmic partners are very important in your twin flame journey, Aquarius. They push you to they help you out. Basically they help you out to grow. Okay, they push you to grow. Okay, the karmic partners plays an important role in twin flame journey. So there is a karmic partner around you who will play an important role in your life, as they will push, they will touch that buttons which are important. 1 minute. Okay, I was seeing something. Okay, so that because my window is open, so I was looking outside my window. So yeah, so karmic partners push that buttons which are important to be pressed. Okay, they will help you out to grow. Okay, for your twin flame. Okay. Take care of yourself, finding your center, inner peace. So take care of yourself, Aquarius. So these are the messages from twin flame journey. Let's see what your soulmate wants to tell you. Okay, let me tell you that. What does your soulmate wants to give you the message? What does they feel? What does they want to tell you? I am going to tell you that. Okay. Too many messages. Too many messages for you, Aquarius. Okay, from your soulmate. They want to tell you so many things. What they want to tell you, I'm going to tell you. They want to tell you that you are always ready to help me out, Aquarius. Okay, they want to tell you this. They want to tell you that you are funny. You are my strength. Beautiful message from your soulmate. You are my strength. You make me complete. Okay, you make me complete. You are my best friend. They want to tell you that. Then they want to tell you that you make me a better person. Your soulmate wants to tell you this. Then they want to tell you that you are my home. You do silly things for me. You respect everything I like. You can read my mind. You and me deal with every situations well. Okay. Then they want to tell you that you always give me a shoulder to cry on. You accept and respect my limitations. You always wish for my success. You are my soulmate. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you are my soulmate. They know you. They want to tell you this. You pamper me like your baby. So these are the messages from your soulmate. And let's see what are the signs which can be your soulmate sign. Okay, I'm going to pick all the signs from this, and then I'm going to take what are the signs, what is the sign of your soulmate. Okay, what are the sign? Let's see what are the sign. And 2 has already fallen out. Virgo and Cancer. Okay, let's see what are the signs for Aquarius soulmate. Give me the signs. What are the signs? I'm having Virgo. Your soulmate can be a Virgo, Aquarius. They can be a Cancer. Okay. Then they can be Aries. They can be a Gemini, a Pisces, Libra, Capricorn, and Scorpio. Okay, so these can be signs for your soulmate. I hope I helped you out in some manner. This was your soulmate love reading for December 2020. So take care of yourself, Aquarius. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love and light to each Aquarius in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon.